Hi, this is Freddy from Switzerland with another knife video, and today we're looking at something very special. We're doing an unboxing of a very special Hermann knife. So if you follow YouTube or my channel for some time, you certainly have heard of Hermann Knives, who is a Polish custom knife maker that is distributed primarily, or I think even exclusively, through Polish custom knives, as you can see here in the top right corner, or on the nice pouch that you get with any of their knives. So you can see here, Polish custom knives, that's the website where Hermann knives are primarily sold. And Hermann Knives has a very distinct kind of design language, lots of different models, lots of large ones, there are some smaller ones, but this one here is a very new model. And when you get a Hermann knife in this very nicely done overall wooden box with this very intricate kind of latch system here, you are getting a very nice dressy version of one of their models. You may have seen some of these very high-end Hermann knives on Metal Complex's channel, but this is actually the first one for me. I had a Hermann Knives Sting, which is probably one of his most popular models, and this is a special new knife that he has released very recently. So let's open up and let's see what we got inside this wooden box. There you have it. Absolutely gorgeous piece. And I really love the craftsmanship on that box. Look at the nice joints that are on the inside of the box. Very clean. You got the very nicely done cutouts on the inside of the box. Everything is finished very well. You got your tool for undoing the proprietary pivot screw right there. And there you can see an absolutely gorgeous knife with some Damascus, with some very interesting Damascus steel blade. And now let's take it out of the wooden box and take a closer look at it. So this is a micro Sting. So if you have seen my video on my original Sting, the first Hermann knife that I ever got, you see that it is, in terms of the overall design, pretty much identical, but this is substantially smaller. And you can see very gorgeous knife. Hermann Knives does a great job with these high-end materials, the polishing work, the finishing work all around. We got some polish on the backspace here, on the side of the clip right there. Really gorgeous thing. And here we got a nice size down version of the Sting, but still it gives you a full 4-finger grip on my 7.5 sterile glove hands. So smaller, but not too small to be actually a useful EDC piece. And I think a dressed up piece like this really goes very well when it's done in a smaller size. Because I think knives like this are not going to be used for any kind of hard use, and for them to be smaller, I think it lends itself very well to go full out on a dress piece, because you only will use these smaller knives for lighter tasks anyway. So it is a great opportunity to go with a nicely dressed up version as we have it here. So gorgeous 3D milled kind of starburst patterned Damascus inlay, polished hardware, blue anodized and tumbled frame. Absolutely gorgeous Balbach Damasteel here, or Balbach Damascus. It's a stainless Damascus. They claim a rockwool hardness of 61 HRC, and I really like how it came out. Very nicely polished, not very high contrast, but Hermann Knives always does it very high polished Damasteel. You also have it here on the spine, as you can see. Really gorgeous. Nice and thin blade there with the full flat grind that we have here, the Hermann Knives logo. Gorgeously inset liner lock with some very nice chamfering right there. Also on the newer Hermann Knives we now get this very cool proudly made in Poland on the backspacer. Internal milling as well, blind screwed liner inset right there. Absolutely gorgeous. Really gorgeous piece. And action wise, for a small blade like this really has a great detent, and you get that singing sound that you are used to from a Hermann knife. We will put the gorgeous box here at the top. I never got anything more fancy in terms of packaging from any other knife so far. And you can see this is an absolute beauty, and ergonomically this is really impressive for such a small compact size that we have it here. So this has an overall length of only 16.8 centimeters or 6.6 inches, so nice and compact, but it still is a very functional and useful knife, as you can see it here. And I really want to give you some nice close-ups on this gorgeous milling. You also see here the milled out portion underneath the clip that Hermann is famous for. Absolutely gorgeous Balbach Damascus and the Timascus. I'm not a big Timascus fan, but when it's done nicely and it's a smaller piece like we have it here, it's not a full kind of frame, I really like how it goes. And with the blue anodized titanium here, I think it fits this knife really, really well. I also love the kind of contrast that it has with that absolutely gorgeous Damascus here. Really, really beautiful. I will show you some other knives to just compare the size, because that's probably the harder thing to gauge from a video like this. But I said 6.6 inch overall size on the Micro Sting, which is this knife right here. Micro Sting by Hermann Knives, a newer model that they released. For example, another comparison in a smaller size would be this one here. This is the Dmitry Ozarenko Runa, the smallest version of the Runa. Absolutely gorgeous custom knife as well. And these are very similar in overall sizing, as you can see right here. Another knife that is a bit more popular, for example, would be the Skiff Drifter. Absolutely gorgeous piece in the collection now for quite some time. Also some greatly milled titanium. And you can see that this is quite a bit larger than the Micro Sting that we have right here, and this is probably closer to the size of the original Sting that I also reviewed. If you want to check that out, check out the link in the top right corner right here, so you can see my full review of the original normal size Sting. But I'm very impressed with the workmanship and the evolution that Hermann Knives has gone through all the knives that they have done so far. And I'm a big fan of Polish Custom Knives, how they deliver their products, how they go about just working with the customer and making these knives actually available to the whole world. And they really have a great selection and do some awesome photography work and great work to promote these really gifted makers from Poland. And you will see a full review of this knife from me later on my channel, but I just wanted to give you a great look at the Micro Sting, which is probably one of their newest models that they have released. And this is an absolutely gorgeous piece here from Hermann Knives, and I hope you liked it. And if you did so, please give it a thumbs up. And follow me here on YouTube as well as on Instagram at 7ready_knife_reviews. All the links will be down in the description below, so you can check out which Hermann Knives are at the moment available at Polish Custom Knives. And to check out Polish Custom Knives as well as Hermann Knives on Instagram, I would highly recommend that, because you get some great insight in what is coming later on in the store. So gorgeous piece, absolutely amazing workmanship, and gorgeous materials that they have chosen here on this Micro Sting. So thanks again for watching, have a nice day, and goodbye.